Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines on nature. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is: nature is a precious gift. Second line is: it is all around us. Third line is: it is a fascinating and beautiful part of our world. Fourth line is: it includes like trees, plants, animals, and even the sky. Fifth line is: it provides us with things we need. Sixth line is: it is a home for animals and insects. Seventh line is: it is a place where plants grow and give us food. Eighth line is: it is important to take care of nature. Ninth line is: we should not litter and pollute it. Last line is: we should appreciate and protect it.